So, the entire concept behind trading and the reason that I trade. So, I'm going to just start by setting up my risk. So, as you can tell, each of these are going to be worth $4 so far, some of them. I have an account that with a balance of 150 bucks. 8, about 10 if I round that up. 11 bucks right there. That's at risk. And when it falls, if I left it just at that spot, that would be an additional 15 bucks. That one, that's about 30 when I pull it down. 9 when I pull it down. And not about 9 to 10 when I pull it down. The reason why they're so different is because each lot is different. These are like 15-cent lots, 5-cent lots. And yeah, I'm risking at about 10 bucks here out of my $150 account. So I can just set it, leave it alone, let it do its thing. I believe it's going to go down. And yeah, some of those trades, this one right here, I'll probably leave here for the 15 just so I can actually secure something. But like that one alone could be like 77 bucks. If I just wanted to go in the middle here, I'd get me another 15 on top of it. If I just wanted to leave that one there, that could just be a 9 bucks. But you see here, there's money to be made. Just on one alone, it's just 77 bucks. I can basically double my account here, and I can increase the size of the leverage if I want to. But I just want to divide it out personally. And there's plenty of strategies you can go with. And again, if I go here, I'm risking at about 89 cents. But considering I'm in profit on multiple lots, I could just close one and be happy if I wanted to. Like this one's at about 14 bucks right here. I'm probably going to put these at the lowest point that I want, at my lowest target. So if I just left that one there, that could be 12 bucks, 9 bucks. But I think my main target is going to be here for now. That's like 61 bucks. And just in case it may decide, I may think it may want to go lower, that'll be like 120. And then 25 and 12. So basically, let me see, where was I at? This one alone is at about 121 if I end up believing that it's going to drop there. But basically what I'm showing you is there's money to be made, especially once you actually start learning this stuff. It is a process. You're not going to jump into trading, investing, or anything like that and instantly make money. That's not possible. Well, maybe it is possible, but even still, I haven't seen it. Most people will jump into this thinking they can get rich quick, but think about it. You got doctors and lawyers out there. Do you think they can do their job without a little bit of education? No. Don't be afraid. You got to educate yourself on this stuff. This is brand new. You can't jump in blind, or else you're just going to end up losing a ton of cash. And last I checked, you didn't come here to lose money. You're looking at this video because you believe in an opportunity to make money. So if you believe in that opportunity there, then it's all you. And I'm gonna also show you that you can make much more. So I honestly think that it can drop much lower. So I'm gonna go with the 25. That one be much higher. I'm risking 11 bucks on that one. I probably could have minimized that by waiting, but actually I want to be more conservative on that one. Go for 37 bucks. That's just me. But I'm just showing you that there's money to be made.